Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Thursday, August 24th. It's about not quite 2:30. It's such a pretty much an inglorious day, if you will, in the markets. We saw a big decline in cotton, almost an attempted recovery in wheat and corn, and a higher close for beans. Let's get to cotton. Cotton market pretty benign this morning, although the export numbers came out for old crop. We actually had a negative sale, a negative reduction, about 1,900 bales, and which was negative, of course, but we were thinking that the bigger sale for the new crop, which is over 300,000, would certainly offset that. But boy, that did not sit well at the cotton market. As a matter of fact, it began to break, and then it just really collapsed. It puked itself all the way down to 65.66, taking out the June 2012 low. I'm sure there were a lot of stops touched off along the way. We did come back to close it above 6,600, which was still down 200 for the day. But you know, some pretty serious chart damage was done to the market today, and beyond the chart damage, I'm sure there was a lot of financial damage done, as I think a lot of producers are not all that heavily fixed or in the market. Be that as it may, I think the market's kind of gotten ahead of itself, and we could still see some type of recovery back into the month of August. However, our hopes were that we could start the recovery from 68 cents, not 66 cents. So if you think about it in those terms, you know, it takes a 6-cent rally from here just to get back to 7,100. But if we do that, we're going to be looking at taking some additional action for fall harvest. Over in the beans today, they had a great sale number for beans, and beans did rally to the upside. Of course, there's a little bit of initial talk of some hot weather coming in, but as we look at the Weather Channel now, they're talking about significantly cooler temperatures in the Midwest into next week. Be that as it may, I think we can still see beans hang up in here just in case. Corn and wheat tried to make a valiant turnaround today. Not necessarily the case, although we did make a new low and come back off of that. But again, the need to sell this stuff, wheat and corn, that is very obviously important to the market. So, and exports today weren't all that spiffy. So, we're coming into the end of the month next week. We'll have a big August crop report, and from there we'll see what the tenor of the market is as it goes into fall harvest. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.